Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. And we'll differentiate each function with respect to x. So, if I was given this function, y equals the arc sine of 3x to the fifth plus 1 to the third power. Now, it's all of that, we're taking the arc sine off, okay? So, we'll see for that next step, we take the derivative, okay? So by taking the derivative, dy dx here, all right, our first rule is that we're going to take the arc sine of all of this. So remember, we're taking the arc sine of everything here, including that third power. Okay? So we have 1 over the square root of 1 minus all of this, right? 3x to the fifth plus 1 to the third power. All of that is going to be squared. Okay? Kind of extending those bars there. Now we have to take the derivative of the inside of that arc sine. Well, that's just going to be power rule, so we can imagine the arc sine is gone. 3 comes down. Keep that inside part the same. 3x to the fifth power plus 1 squared times the derivative of the inside part. Okay, so we have power rule there. 5 times 3 is 15, so we have 15x to the fourth power there, and there's nothing with the 1 because derivative of 1 is 0. Okay, so now we've taken the derivative. Let's just do some simplification. Nothing too fancy here. Okay, 3 and the 15 multiplying across the numerator, right, will be 45. So we have 45 there times x to the fourth. Let's bring that out front. X to the fourth times. Let's bring these parentheses over here. 3x to the fifth plus 1 squared. All over my denominator, which we can simplify a little bit here. 1 minus, well, let's distribute this just the square to the third power right there. That's to the sixth power. So we have 3x to the fifth plus 1 all to the sixth power now. That's good enough for me where I am now. And so now here we have our final answer, 45x to the fourth times 3x to the fifth plus 1 squared over the square root of 1 minus the square root, the square root of 1 minus parentheses 3x to the fifth plus 1 to the sixth power. So let's recap. We're given y equals the arc sine of 3x to the fifth plus 1 to the third power. Deriving that, we first apply the arc sine rule. 1 over the square root of 1 minus what was on the inside. 3x to the fifth plus 1 to the third power. All of that's going to be squared. Okay? Remember, when we take the arc sine, the way it's written here, it's all of this part, everything there. Times the derivative of that inside part, power rule, 3 comes down, multiply, keep the inside part the same, 3x to the fifth plus 1, all squared. Again, the chain rule a second time, derivative of that inside parenthesis part gives us 15x to the fourth. Simplifying, 15 times 3, give it 45, put the x to the fourth out front, and we put this next to it, 3x to the fifth plus 1, all squared. All over our denominator, all we did was keep 1 minus, and we just multiply 2 times that 3, because all the third to the second power, you multiply the exponents there, and it's to the sixth. So again, our final answer here is 45x to the fourth times 3x to the fifth plus 1 squared over the square root of 1 minus parentheses 3x to the fifth plus 1 and parentheses to the sixth